Wagwan massive crowd of people wagwan one of the pan. So in this video, I am sharing with you how I curry chicken using turmeric roots. Wagwan, what's good, what's great, one of the pan. So in this video, I am gonna curry chicken using turmeric root or roots. And of course I'm wearing a pair of gloves because I don't want my fingers to stain. Alright. So what I'm doing now is peeling the turmeric roots. So I am using one small chicken, roughly 2.5 pounds or something like that. I cut up and wash with lime and water, put the drain and then pat dry. Then I am seasoning with salt. Also, I am using my usual spices, complete seasoning, a little bit of this, and black pepper. I'm gonna use black pepper, brown black pepper. Right. I am also using Maggi chicken flavor, and also Maggi all-purpose. So I just use Badia complete seasoning, Lorry season salt, black pepper, Maggi all-purpose, and Maggi chicken season. Yeah, and salt as well. So when I'm using turmeric, I put away the kitchen towels and I use paper towel, otherwise called hand towel. I know this thing stain and that's why I'm using a glove. So I'm not sure what happened, but the camera stopped, right? So what I did was to rub some of the blended turmeric onto the chicken, just about 2 teaspoons, right? I rub it onto the chicken. So I'm using some fresh herbs, onion and peppers, garlic, ginger, and scallion. So I am allowing the chicken to cook in its own juice, also to catch the color, because it is not yet, catches all the color, the curry color I'm talking about. Yeah, it needs some more time to develop while it cooks in its own juice. So now I think the chicken reaches to the color that I want it to reach. If I want it to be like a brighter yellow, I will have to use more turmeric. So this color is okay. So now I am gonna pour enough water on it to cook the chicken. This amount of water will cook the chicken. Well, I managed to capture every details, I must say. The camera was giving me a warm time, as we say in Jamaica. It kept stopping for unknown reason. Anyway, I added the water to the chicken, then I allow it to cook until the gravy thickens. Now, if you want thick gravy, you can use a piece of Irish potato or half of one Irish potato. Shred it on a grater and then add it to the pot. You will get thick gravy. I don't use flour. I don't use cornstarch to thickens my gravy because I don't like them in my gravy. I use Irish potato, shredded Irish potato whenever time I want thick gravy, and I have a video up when I was currying chicken wings. I will put the link to that video in this video so you can get the full understanding of what I'm talking about using the Irish potato to thicken your gravy. So if you're cooking like 4 pounds of chicken, you will probably need 2 pounds of turmeric. Well, it depends on how bright yellow you want the chicken to be. You can use less if you don't mind having a not so bright yellow chicken, but if you want bright yellow chicken, you will have to use 2 pounds of turmeric. Turmeric is healthy. When you peel it and you're preparing it, you might not like the smell because it smells like medicine, like herbal medicine. But when you use it and you cook your chicken or your pork or your duck or whatever, I'm telling you, it is nice, it is light, it is not heavy on your stomach like the store-bought curry. It is 100% organic. I'm telling you, this is the best way to go when you're currying meat. Unfortunately, I can't use it all the time because I cannot get it to buy all the time. But whenever me buck it up in the market, me always buy my turmeric and me use my turmeric. Anytime you see me use powdered curry, it's because me not have no turmeric and me can't find any in the market. You understand? So hope you can get some turmeric roots and try this recipe, and you can tell me how it turns out if you want in the comment section below. Yeah, man. So this is 100% nice curry chicken. I'm if I tell you. Yeah. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Remember, when you subscribe, to click the bell icon. There are options. Click all if you want to receive all uploads to this video. Walk good. Stay blessed.